Today's chore is removing garlic scapes. Garlic scapes are these curly little stems that grow on the garlic, and they are the garlic's way of sending out a leafless flower stem. I am removing these, and these don't just get thrown out. You can either chop them up in stir fries, which I've done before, but I have heard a lot about garlic scape pesto and garlic scape butter and freezing it, so I'm going to be trying to do that this year. These will be put to use. I'm going to show you exactly how I pick these. I did plant my garlic a little bit later. Usually I plant my garlic in the fall between September 28th and the middle of October, but I was a little bit behind on garden chores in the fall. I didn't plant my garlic until about mid-November. So my garlic is a little bit behind others in my area. When garlic is ready, the plant will have these 4 leaves, will typically turn brown. I am right on time for picking my garlic scapes. So let's see how much garlic scapes I get.
You want to cut the garlic scape right where it emerges from the main stem.
This bed is just one of my garlic beds. I have 2 others, one in wooden raised bed and one in ground. These raised beds I got on Amazon, and they are 4 foot by 16 foot raised beds. I actually put in last year. They were a kit that had 2 10 by 4 raised beds, and I mix and matched them into different sizes. So I got out of one kit 16 foot by 4 foot raised bed and a 4 foot by 4 foot round, as you see behind me here. So I really like these raised beds as they're quite large, but reaching across them sometimes can be a little hard when they're 4 feet. Okay, so this is just the garlic scapes from this raised bed, and so on to the next. This is the next garlic bed, which is in ground, so we'll see how many garlic scapes I can get from this one. Okay, so this bed is done, and I almost got another full basket full between the 2. Now let's go see the last bed of garlic I have. This is the last garlic bed that I have, and you can see these lovely pretty nasturtiums in various colors in the front here, which I love. And these garlics aren't quite ready to pick. I'll probably be about mid-July when I start pulling these garlics out. So let's harvest these as well. Well, there you have it. I have all my garlic scapes for this season. I'll be processing these in the next few days here. So I hope you enjoyed this gardening video. If you like this video and would like to see more gardening content like this, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. And like always, thank you for watching.